You're likely wondering if you need a paid TradingView subscription. The short answer is maybe, depending entirely on your trading style and needs. If you're a casual trader or just starting out, the free plan is incredibly robust. You get access to essential charting tools, indicators, watch lists, and basic paper trading. You can use most of the popular technical analysis tools and save your chart layouts. For most people, the free plan is more than enough to analyze markets and execute trades through a linked broker. However, a paid subscription becomes necessary if you hit the limitations of the free version. The biggest reasons to upgrade are: more indicators. The free plan limits you to just 3 indicators per chart. If your strategy requires more complex analysis with multiple moving averages, oscillators, and custom scripts, you'll need a paid tier. Multiple layouts and charts. Paid plans allow you to view multiple charts on one screen simultaneously, which is crucial for monitoring different time frames or markets at once. You also get more saved chart layouts. Intraday data and timeframes. Certain premium indicators and intraday timeframes, like seconds-based charts, are restricted to paid tiers, appealing to very active day traders. Ad-free experience. The free version includes occasional ads. Paid subscriptions remove them for a cleaner, faster experience. Alerts. Higher tiers offer more server-side alerts, ensuring you don't miss a key price level even when the app is closed. In short, start with the free plan. If you find yourself consistently frustrated by the 3-indicator limit or the inability to view multiple charts at once, then it's time to consider an upgrade. Until then, save your money. Choose the Pro, Pro Plus, or Premium plan based on the specific feature set you absolutely require. Don't pay for features you won't use. Focus on your trading first.